The Commowner Electric Pressure Washer 4800 is designed to tackle tough cleaning tasks with its impressive 4,800 pounds per square inch output and 2.8 gallons per minute flow rate. This pressure washer is highly versatile, featuring a 33-foot pressure hose that is compatible with most high-pressure washer hoses, allowing you to customize its length as needed. Equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles, it offers a range of pressure levels to suit different surfaces, from high pressure for stubborn grime to low pressure for delicate surfaces. The built-in total stop system enhances safety and efficiency by automatically shutting off the machine when not in use, conserving energy and extending the washer's lifespan. Its user-friendly design ensures easy setup and operation, making it suitable for both homeowners and professionals who need a reliable and powerful cleaning tool. The ability to draw water from a container is a convenient feature, especially for those without access to a water tap, broadening its usability in various settings.